Hi boys and girls, hi parents, welcome. This is your coach Noel again. And what we're going to be talking about right now are greater numbers, okay? So boys and girls, just know that a greater number means that the number is the biggest. So whenever anyone asks you, which number is the greater number of the two? Is it 1 or is it 5? Remember, you always have to think greater, greater, greater. Greater means bigger. Okay, I get it. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at a few examples, okay? So here we have a sentence that says, which number is greater, 3 or 1? The next one says, which number is greater, 10 or 6? Which number is greater, 4 or 7? Which number is greater, 5 or 9? Which number is greater, 8 or 2? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this first one. Which number is greater, 3 or 1? Let's take a look. What I'm going to do is first, I'm going to go ahead and move this 3 over here. And I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 stars. Then I'm going to move this one over here. And I'm just going to draw 1 star. So you tell me, boys and girls, which number has more stars? Which number is greater, the 3 or the 1? You are absolutely correct. It is the 3. So in this case, 3 is the greater number. Now let's take a look at this one. It says, which number is greater, 10 or 6? So let's move this 10 over here. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move this 6 over here. And I'm going to draw 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. So which number looks greater to you? The 10 or the 6? That is absolutely correct, boys and girls. It's the 10. 10 is the greater number. So I'm going to circle the 10. Okay? Now let's take a look at the next one. Which number is greater, the 4 or the 7? Let's take a look. I'm going to move the 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to move the 7 way over here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which number looks greater to you, the 4 or the 7? You are absolutely correct again. It is the 7. 7 is the greater number. So I'm going to circle the 7. Now let's take a look at the next one. Which number is greater? Is it the 5 or is it the 9? Let's see. I'm going to move my 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to move my 9 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number looks greater to you? The 5 or the 9? Which one is bigger? You are absolutely correct. Again, it is the 9, boys and girls. So the 9 is the greater number. I'm going to circle that 9. Now let's look at the last one. Which number is greater, the 8 or the 2? I'm going to move my 8 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to move my 2 over here. 1, 2. Which number is greater, boys and girls? The 8 or the 2? Wow, why in the world are you so smart? My goodness, the 8 is the greater number. It's bigger than the 2, isn't it? Absolutely. So, there you go. So let's take a look at this one last time, okay? Which number is greater, 3 or 1? 3 or 1? 3. Which number is greater, 10 or 6? Is it 10 or is it 6? It's 10, right? Which number is greater, the 4 or the 7? Is it a 4 or is it a 7? Which number is bigger or greater? That's correct. It is the 7. Which number is greater, The 5 or the 9? 5 or 9? That's right, boys and girls, the 9 is the greater number. Last one. Which number is greater? The 8 or the 2? 8 or 2? That is absolutely correct. The 8 is greater than the 2. So 8 is the greater number. And that's pretty much it, boys and girls. See? Piece of cake. The greater number means the bigger number. And because you're so smart, this is going to be a piece of cake for you. Parents, thank you again, and we'll see you at the next video.